This tutorial review will show you how to stop users from joining your Discord server. If you want to make your Discord server so that you may be able to disable invite links, you must go to the server settings. So first of all, open the server and click on the server name and go to server settings. Select roles and click on default permissions. Select here the everyone role, then scroll down and search for create invite. Once you get it, you have to disable this create invite option from here and click on save changes. And once you disable this option, no one will be able to join into your Discord server. And that's how we can stop users from joining Discord server. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.